Hey Wanderers, we're at EPCOT, about to board the seas with Nemo and Friends. This ride's been searching for a lost clownfish since 2007, and we're climbing into our clamobile to help find him.
Explore the big blue world!
Hey, Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo!
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science great, there's so much to know. Why the more explorers, it's time to go.
Yes, have you seen it?
Hi, I'm Dory.
I am looking for my son.
Ooh, I can help. Where? All right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Stop playing games.
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish.
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of balloon.
That's jellyfish.
You're good. And I'm thinking
Jellyfish. I'm the most wanted jellyfish.
can't catch me.
Swim away.
Peekaboo.
Watch out. Ah!
Like I'm scared now.
You're not helping.
Neener, neener, neener. Oh yeah, too fast for you.
Stop fooling around. Dory, do something.
Hey, scary dogs. Can't catch me.
Fish and friends for food. Delicious. I wonder if clownfish taste funny. Nemo! Why don't you drop by for a little bite? Oh, what a beautiful little bite!
Right behind you, Dad! Come on, Nemo! Too soon?
Welcome to the EPCOT.
Whoa!
Check out the mini marlin!
Nemo, give me some fish! Dude!
Aha! Okay, little dudes, get ready to ride!
Remember, rip it, roll it, punch it!
Come on, explorers!
It's Nemo! Look, Mr. Ray, here comes Nemo!
Oh, there you are, Nemo!
Yay! Nemo!
Come aboard, explorers!
It's Nemo! Look, Mr. Ray, here comes
Too many.
It's a dream and ever.
Something they can stop. It's Nemo.
Did you know yesterday 18,257 people came through here? And it's exactly 3.2 seconds between clams. Hey, where are you going? Starfish can turn our stomachs inside out. I can amuse your friends. Oh, I'm just excited to be done to solve this. Hey, open wide.
If you enjoyed exploring the seas with Nemo and Friends with us, subscribing helps us keep swimming through more parks like this one. Thanks for coming along. See you on the next ride.